Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about what is this keyword in Java. What is the limitation of this keyword? So, what is this keyword? This keyword is a special reference variable that automatically gets created. This keyword points to the current object running in the program. Using this keyword, we can access non-static variable. What is the limitation of this keyword? Using this keyword cannot be used inside static method. Using this keyword, we can access static members, but we should never do that. How? Let's see in practicals. So let's create a Java project. Java project. Give project name anything. I am going like this keyword, right? Project name this keyword. Let's finish. No. Click on this keyword. Go to src. Just type package. Create here package. You can change or let's change it p1. Let's create one more class here. Class A. Right? So what is this keyword? This keyword is a special reference variable that automatically gets created. How? Let's see. First do multi-comment here. Let's create main method. How you can create main method? Type ma, press control space bar, enter. Main method created. Let's create the object of the class. A1 is equal to new A. Right? Object is created. SYS control space bar, enter. Let's print A1. Let's create one more method, public void test. SYSO control space bar, enter. Type this. Using reference variable, we can print its address and this keyword. This will give object address. And this keyword, it is not created by me. It is created by JVM. It is a special reference variable. And using this keyword, we can access non-static variable. So this is non-static method. So we have to call it first. So a1 dot test. Right. Let's run the program and see the output. It's giving me two addresses in hexadecimal format. This is in the hexadecimal format. So using this keyword, we can print the address of the object, and using reference variable, we can also print the address of the object. Let's create one more this keyword project. Go to src, click on project p1, package p1. Just create one more class B. Right? This keyword points to the current object running in the program. How? Let's see. So let's create a main method. Just type ma control space bar enter. Main method created. Let's create object of class. So what is class name? B. So using class name we will create object B. B1 is equal to new B. Right? Let's print this address of the object SYSO control space bar B1. Right? Let's create one more object B. B2 is equal to new V. Let's print is subject address B2. Let's create one more object B. B3 is equal to new V. SYSO control space bar enter B3. Right? Let's run the program and see the output. 3 times is printing object address. Right? Using reference variable. Here we are printing. Let's create a method like B3 test. Let's create test method. So just type control space bar create method test, and here I'm giving public method, public void test. So I want to delete this command, so I will press Control D, delete it. Right? Let's print object address using this keyword. This keyword points to the current object running in the program. This keyword points to the current object running in the program. See, this is giving me same address because this address running in the program, right? Because we are calling this method using this reference variable b3rd. So that's why it's giving me same output, because we are printing here b3 address, and here using this keyword we are printing here. So it provides same address, and b1 and b2 they are giving different address, right? And using this keyword we can access non-static variable. How? Let's create one more program. Let's type class C. What is non-static variable? So non-static variables are created outside all the methods but within the class without using static keyword. So like integer, non-static variable. If we use static keyword, if I am using here like static, then it becomes a static variable. But I don't want to use static here, only non-static variable, because using this keyword we can access non-static variable. Let's create main method. How we can create main method? Just type ma control space bar enter. Let's create the object of the class. What is class? Class C. C1 is equal to new C. Right? So let's create more method like public void test. So I am going to access using reference variable, non-static variable c1 dot x, right? But directly we cannot use this. We have to print. So it's giving me error. So just type control space bar. No. I want to print this. So what will I do? SYSO control space bar enter c1 dot x, right? And here I will access non-static variable using this keyword. How? SYSO control space bar enter this dot x. Let's run the program and see the output. They are giving the same output, 10 or different. It's giving me only 110 output. Why? Because this is non-static method. Non-static method. Non-static method. And non-static method we cannot use directly. We have to call it, then it will work. So how we can call it? Using reference variable. What is reference variable? C1. So C1 dot, what is the method name? Test. So test, right? Let's run the program and see the output. It's giving me 10, 10. Why? Because this keyword is a reference variable and it is not created by me. It is created by JVM. And here we are creating C1 is equal to new C. And C1 here is reference variable. What? This is created by JVM. And directly we can use to call non-static method. Yes, and see the what is the limitation of this keyword? D, I am going to create. So what is the rule? So what is the topic I am covered here? This keyword is a special reference variable that automatically gets created, right? This is covered. This keyword point to the current object running in the program. Done. Using this keyword we can access non-static variable. It is also done, covered. So I am going to talk about what is the limitation of this keyword. So this keyword we cannot use inside static method. How? Let's see. We don't need to multi-comment because it is a single line. So only this is enough, right? If comment is 2 lines or more than 2 lines, then we have to do multi-comment. So let's create static variable. What is static variable? Static variable are created using static keyword outside all the method and within the class. And if you don't know how to create static method and what is the use of static keyword, so you can watch my static keyword video in I click button. So let's create integer x equal to 10, right? Main method, control space or enter. Object, class name d1 is equal to new d, right? Let's create one method d1 dot test. Control 1, create method, and I am going to give method name public. Control D, comment deleted. This is static method. Static method. This is non static method. This is static method. Static method. So what is the limitation of this keyword? This keyword cannot be used inside static method. So public static void main. Here we are using static keyword, so it becomes static method. So here we cannot use this keyword. Let's print SYSO use this keyword here. It's generating me error because static method. Due to static method, we cannot use this keyword within static method, and this is non-static method. So, can I use here? Let's see, working or not. So, in non-static method, this keyword is working, but within static method, this keyword is not working. So, never use this keyword inside static method. Let's delete this and let's run the program and see the output. It's giving me address of object. Which object is running in the program? D. So, this keyword points to the current object running in the program. So, it's giving me addresses. But I want to access this static method, static variable, right? So, how we can access using this dot x? What is your variable name? X, right? Save the program and run the program and see the output. It's giving me output 10, right? So, this is working. Using this keyword, we can access static variable, but we will never do that. Why? It is not good practice because let's create one more program and see though. Let's type class E. So let's create static integer bx is equal to 100, right? Let's create main method ma control space bar enter. Create object of class E. e1 is equal to new E, right? So let's create one method e1 dot method name test I want to create, right? Control is 1. Type create method. Method is created, right? So here give method public. I will talk it later. What is public, private, default, protected? In my further videos, I will explain it. So public is accessible in anywhere in the program. If we declare any variable or method public, then we can use anywhere in the program. So that's why I am declaring public methods, right? So that we can easily understand this dot x, right? This is static method, static variable, and this is static method. This is non-static method, so that's why we are calling here. Because if we don't call non-static method, then it will not work, right? So let's run the program and see the output. So it is quite possible to access static variables using this keyword, but we will never do that, right? Because using this keyword we can access only non-static members, but it is also possible to access static method, but it is not good practice for a developer. One more program I want to tell you, like create class f. If we don't write this dot x, then compiler automatically convert x to this dot x, and this is applicable only non-static members. How? Let's see. Let's create one non-static variable, right? Create main method, control space by enter. Create object of the class name f, f1 is equal to new f right. Let's create one method f1 dot method name test. Control 1 create method, give access specifier name public, create. So delete this comment, control D. Let's directly print x, syso, control space for x. Here if we don't write this dot x, then compiler automatically convert x to this dot x, and this is applicable only non-static method. That's why we are saying that don't call static method using this keyword, right? So let's run the program and see the output. It's giving me output 10, right? If here I want to print, I want to call syso f1 dot 10, sorry, f1 dot x, then it will 2 times 10, right? So only it is applicable in non-static method. If I declare here static, yes, static working. So it okay. So if we don't write this dot x, then compiler automatically creates this dot x internally, and we can use static as well as non-static variables. In the below program, we are not writing this dot x in test method, right? If we don't write, then compiler automatically converts x to this dot x, and this is applicable only non-static members. So if I directly here write syso in static method x, so it's giving me error, right? Change x to static. Okay, so we cannot use. So that's why it's saying that it is this is applicable only non-static member. Here I am writing and there is no error, but in static method it's giving me error. So that's why we are saying that don't do that. Using this keyword we can access static members, but we will never do that, right? So let's remove that. That's all guys in today's session. So what we covered today, this keyword in Java. What is this keyword? This keyword is a special reference variable that automatically gets created, right? And it is not created by me, it is created by our compiler, JVM compiler. And this keyword point to the current object running in the program, right? So here we are calling this method test, and this object is running, so same address will be printed. See, same addresses, right? And using this keyword we can access non-static variable, right? Here we are accessing non-static variable. X is non-static. This keyword cannot be used inside a static method. So public static environment, this is what static. And if we try to use this keyword here, it gives us error. Using this keyword we can access static member, but we should never do that. And in the below program, we are not writing this.x in test method. If we don't write, then compiler automatically converts x to this.x. It's applicable only in non-system method. Like if we are writing syx this.x, so both will work, and it's giving me 3 times 10. See, right? So that's all, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.